Boy, we must really be high up. The air feels so different. Dad? Yes? I'm hungry. Well, you should have eaten your breakfast. We'll get you something as soon as we get to the hotel, okay? Okay, Mom. Hey, wasn't it here when the dinner party got snowbound? I think that was farther west in the Sierras. What was the dinner party? They were a party of settlers in covered wagon times. They got snowbound one winter in the mountains. They had to resort to cannibalism in order to stay alive. You mean they ate each other up? Had to, or survive. Jack. Don't worry, Mom. I know all about cannibalism. I saw it on the TV. See? It's okay. Saw it on the television.